Welcome back to Cooking with the Boys. Today we'll be making Japanese tuna Soboro rice bowl.
What you're gonna need is canned tuna, eggs, snap peas or snow peas. Today we have snow peas. Cooked rice, soy sauce, salt, sugar, sake, and water.
Add the drained tuna. Five teaspoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sake. And 2 tablespoons of water. Now mix and break the tuna and cook until all the liquid is absorbed. And stir frequently.
Meanwhile, I want to cook snow peas in the microwave. Make sure to put it covered. And put it in the microwave for 1 minute until it's tender. It looks good, but I'm going to mix it and put it in the microwave for 30 more seconds. Now it looks good. Now we're going to slice them.
At this point, mix frequently to prevent burning. If it looks like this, it is done. So turn off the heat and let it cool down.
Now we're gonna prepare the eggs. I put the 4 eggs here, and now I'm going to add ½ teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sake, and mix. Heat the pan and add canola oil. Add eggs and make scrambled eggs. Using your chopsticks, try to break the eggs and make it crumbly.
Now put these 3 toppings on the rice nicely.
Now let's eat!